Hello everybody, my name is LG Simulation. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today in this video is a beginner's tutorial for how to build on Roblox Studio. So first, before you start building, you first need to open Explorer, Properties, and Toolbox if you really want to. So to do that, you will go into View, then you'll go Explorer and Properties. When you've done that, you go into back into Home, and you can either press here to insert a part, or you can go into Workspace, right click, press insert, hover over insert object, and then you can insert a part. Let me see, here we go. So there you have your part. You can freely move it around if you go on the Select tab, or you could move it around with arrows if you go on the Move tab. You could also resize it if you go on the Scale tab, and you can make it as big as you like. You can make it so big that you won't be able to see them up anymore. See? And if you're not happy with your buildings, then you can always press Ctrl Z, so it will go back to how it was before. If you're ever like miles away, if you ever insert an object inside your base plate, and then you don't know how to get to it. Let me see, one sec. And basically, you've got the model here, and you don't know how to zoom to it. As you saw, I just zoomed to it. But if you want to know an easy method to zoom to something easily, you'll double click on your model, then you'll click on the part, then on your keyboard you'll press F. And as you can see, I zoomed straight to it. So I just press Ctrl Z and put it back to how it was. But if you want to edit this block without using any of these tools here that I showed you, like the resize tool and stuff, you can always press on the block, then you go down to your property tab down here, then you can see that you've got all this stuff. I'll explain all this stuff in future episodes, but you'll go down to part, and then here you can resize it with numbers. So if you want to do 50, 50, 50, and then 50, it'll make you a massive equal block. Then you just press Ctrl Z and it will go back to how it was. By the way, sorry for my coughing, guys. I'm kind of sick today, so please bear with me. Right, so as you know, sometimes if you want to build a police map, or you just want to build a city, you may have brick walls or stone walls or glass or stuff like that. Oh, sorry. So to do that, to change the material, you're going to press on the block, then you're going to go either in your properties, or you're going to click up here. I'm going to go into my properties. You click the slide down menu, then you could choose it between brick. As you can see, brick, there's foil, there's grass, there's foil again, there's diamond plates and stuff. And yeah, you can do that like that. If you want to change, if you want to add anything in it, you guys might be here to know how to add like lights into it or anything, or script. I'm not a scripter, so I'm only a builder. So yeah, everything, all like that. Everything like that will be in the videos after this one. So now you just want to know how to build like just a simple what could we build? A simple house. So first you're gonna want to build the walls. So you're going to grab your resize tool and you're gonna make it 1 block large. Then you can scale it this way. Then you can make it as high as you want. Stuff like that. Yep. Then if you want to duplicate the block, so you want to duplicate the block to get more walls, you're either going to press on this block, then press Ctrl D, or you could come up here and press duplicate. Then you can switch this around. As you can see, I've built just a simple room. Simple room, you see? Just by using the duplicate tool and the move and scale tool. Also, so I did tell you this, but there's also the rotate tool. So if you click on the rotate tool, then you click on an object, you can move it around 90 degrees in any direction. If you want to move it less than 90 degrees, so here, then you're going to go into model, rotate, then you're going to put it up to 0. Then you can just move it like this. And you can also move it like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, and like you get what you know what I mean. So yeah, that's how you do that. Basically, I'm going to explain to you guys something. The base plate is the main part that is going to hold up your buildings. So the base plate, you can move it around as you like. You can move it around as you like. But if you go into the game, so if you press Shift 5, not Shift 5, is it Shift 1, Shift 2, Shift 3, Shift 4, Shift 5, Shift 6, Control 5, Control F5, Shift F5. Nope, not even that. Okay, right, you're just gonna click the button up here then. That button. It's gonna put a screen like that. It's normal, just don't worry, it won't crash. And you're gonna get this little loading bar down here. There we go. And you can spawn on the base plate. As you can see, I can walk around on the base plate as I want. And I can also go into escape and do this, like put my camera sensitivity up to 4. I can go whizzing around like this. But I want it back to how it is. All of this I will explain all of this in the future episodes. So yeah, that is the end of the video, guys, of building in the basics. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, then smash that like button, subscribe for future videos and tutorials on scripting and building, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!